Hello students, today we will learn how to subtract like fractions with the help of a word problem. So let's get started. Here we have a question. Together, Alan and Mira ate 5/8 of a pizza. Mira ate 3/8 of the pizza. What fraction of the pizza did Alan eat? So let's see how to solve this. Let's solve this example with the help of an image. All right. From the given fractions, we can say that the pizza is divided into 8 equal parts, right? You can see that both the fractions are having denominator as 8. Okay, so the pizza is divided into 8 equal parts, like here. All right. The question tells us that Alan and Mira together ate 5/8 of a pizza. That means out of 8 pieces, they ate 5 pieces together. So let's mark those 5 pieces with red color. The question tells us that Mira ate 3/8 of the pizza. Let's mark that with a blue color. So 3 pieces which are eaten by Mira, we are marking with the blue color. So how many pieces are remaining now? Exactly. What fraction of the pizza did Ellen eat? Correct. You can see that out of 5, how many are remaining? Yes, 2 are remaining. So these 2 pieces are eaten by Ellen. Okay, so we can tell that with the help of this image, Ellen ate 2/8 of the pizza. Okay, so I hope you understood this subtraction with the help of this image. Now let's solve the same example mathematically. To find the fraction of the pizza eaten by Alan, we have to subtract 3/8 from the 5/8. That means we have to subtract the pieces of pizza eaten by Mira, that is 3/8, from the total pieces of pizza eaten by Alan and Mira. Okay, so how do you write the subtraction? Here, 5/8 minus 3/8. As these are like fractions, means they have both same denominator. The subtraction will be easy. We will be just subtracting the numerators and keep the denominator same, like here. 5 minus 3 by 8, and 5 minus 3 gives us 2. So we can write 2 by 8 as our answer. So we can say that Alan ate 2/8 of the pizza. So students, I hope you understood both the concepts, like by using the image and by mathematically. Okay, so we'll be solving more questions of the same kind in the next session. Till then, you please take care. Thank you.